Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off the clicking noise in Windows 11. So for example, I'll click on these icons. I will show you how to turn this off. Go to search and type in control panel. Click on that. Go to hardware and sound. Go to sound. Click on the sounds tab. And now go to select in the list. And scroll up in the list to none. Apply. Click OK. Close. Now the noise has stopped. And there you go. That's how you disable the sound of your mouse from clicking. Please like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.